Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about the lowercase element names. Use lowercase element names because HTML allows mixing uppercase and lowercase letters in element names. However, we recommend using lowercase element names because mixing uppercase and lowercase names looks bad. Developers normally use lowercase names. Lowercase looks cleaner. Lowercase looks cleaner and also lowercase is easier to write. I'm going to show you example. As you can see in our document right here, this one is good and this one is bad. The difference is that the body tag inside this one and the p tag are written in lowercase, and the second one is in uppercase. The first one that is written in lowercase is looking nice, looking beautiful, but this one that is having uppercase is looking rough. That's what I want to tell you about it. Make sure you use lowercase elements whenever you are writing your code. And to the next, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.